Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to give you my synopsis of Synopsys. Pun intended. This is ticker SNPS. So SNPS, it is one of the IBD 50 stocks, and it looks pretty good here considering the market has seen better days. So on Synopsys, we have a stock that is in a well-defined uptrend. It's above all the major moving averages. You can see how the moving averages are in order. We have the 200-day down here, the 50-day, the 21-day, and the 8 exponential. Since September, we have kind of a little bit of a rounded bottom here, and in the last week or so, Synopsys has printed quite a nice-looking handle. Now, we're actually seeing this pattern in a lot of tech stocks, kind of this cup with a handle pattern. Now, it's not an official Bill O'Neill cup and handle. Those typically last a couple of months. But for a short-term trade or a swing trade, this could definitely work. So what I want to see here on Synopsys is a move above this downward sloping trend line. You can see how ever since we kind of hit the high here on Tuesday, October the 13th, we haven't really been able to get back above. And we've seen progressively lower highs. But we've also seen higher lows. So the stock is getting into, kind of a nice tight equilibrium pattern here. And this could last, well, a month. I mean, this could last well past the election. But if we get some sort of stimulus package or kind of a change in the character of the market, we could definitely see a move above this level on volume. And if we do, a continuation to the upside. So I would definitely want to have an alert on Synopsys at around $230, and then you'd want to take a look at the stock and see if the volume confirms that move. Ideally, you'd probably want to have a stop loss at least around $222. I mean, that's about a 3% risk on an initial entry, and then you'd want to move that stop up to break even as soon as possible. But this is definitely one that's on my watch list, and I think it's worth adding it to yours. So I hope that video was helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com. We'll catch you next time.